2030, the central bank digital currency market is expected to be worth $213 billion. In light of this, Ripple has set an ambitious goal of grabbing a major piece of the cryptocurrency market. Several CBDC-focused initiatives demonstrate this drive for expansion. Notably, a Juniper research analysis underlines CBDC's tremendous development potential, as their global worth is likely to soar from $100 million to an estimated $1 billion. $213 billion over the next 10 years. This represents a 212,900% gain in 7 years. Ripple emphasizes this in a recent piece, highlighting its proclivity toward growth. In the business, Ripple has evolved as the globe swiftly transitions to a digital financial landscape. As a market leader in CBDC solutions, the Republic of Palau recently announced a collaboration with Ripple to begin its native stablecoin, which is already online and operational on the public XRP ledger, and employing XRP. The company's dedicated CBDC infrastructure is also highlighted in a recent Ripple article. On May 18, Ripple launched the CBDC solution, the foundation on which central banks and other financial institutions can build their Ripple's ambitions to penetrate the CBDC market is represented by its digital currency. Furthermore, Anthony Welfare, Ripple's CBDC advisor, announced last month that Ripple is working with the Montenegrin Central Bank to provide technical assistance for creating digital money for the country. As previously mentioned, Welfare also revealed that Ripple was listed as a top leader for CBDCs by their R15 vendors. Ripple's goal to enter the CBDC market was obvious in September 2021, when it stated its intention to do so. A collaboration with Bhutan's national bank, the Royal Monetary Authority. The collaboration would enable the country to test its CBDC on the private XRP ledger. Ripple also spoke on a panel about CBDCs at this year's DMI symposium. Ripple recognizes the potential of CBDCs and plans to capitalize on it. Several central banks, in particular, have already made great progress in their CBDC projects. Brazil's central bank, for example, intends to launch its own CBDC in 2024, while the Bank of England has shown its support for a digital pound. According to Nancy Beaton, Chief Revenue Officer, CRO, of Uphold, a prominent US-based exchange platform, XRP passes all acceptable criteria for listing. Nancy Beaton, Chief Revenue Officer, CRO, recently spoke on a panel about tokenization. Uphold, a renowned US-based trading platform, confirmed that the XRP coin passes all of the requirements. During the panel, Beaton emphasized the importance of adhering to strict listing criteria, the company's dedication to compliance and security. She stated that Uphold has a listing committee that evaluates tokens based on criteria, including, as well as security, audits, the trustworthiness of the founders, token distribution, and other valid criteria. Surprisingly, according to the CRO, around 70% of the coins seeking a listing on Uphold's platform do not fulfill its high requirements. XRP, on the other hand, checked every box. Beaton commented on the choice to keep XRP on the platform despite the ongoing dispute. Uphold prioritizes compliance and legality, as indicated. While confirming the lawsuit's existence, she stated that Uphold legal counsel had discovered it. There is no legal precedence requiring them to delist XRP. The revenue officer stated that the exchange feels that until there is legal certainty, it is prudent to have XRP supported and listed on the platform. Other exchanges, including Kraken and Coinbase, have adopted a different strategy, both of which stopped supporting XRP shortly after the SEC's claims were made public. Coinbase, which has also had legal troubles with the SEC, has maintained its position, even though its CLO agreed with Ripple's stance in the case. Notably, in addition to Uphold's revenue officer, Fabio Villard was on the recent panel. Sologenic's strategic growth manager sheds light on the relationship between Maintain and Sologenic is an ecosystem built on the XRP ledger that offers a wide range of services. XRP-related services include asset tokenization, decentralized trading, an NFT marketplace, and an excellent starting point. Uphold, on the other hand, serves as an access point to this technology and a partner to the Sologenic. Uphold just added Corium and Sologenic to its platform, and a collaboration has been formalized. It has been really helpful in promoting these tokens to its users. Similarly, as previously reported, Sologenic's Subolo token became the first XRPL token to be accepted. Hubei Global, a renowned cryptocurrency exchange, listed it on a Tier 1 exchange in July. Declared in South Korea, following the resolution of a regulatory lawsuit in the United States, Ripple's CEO, Brad Garlinghouse, recently admitted the prospect of an upcoming initial public offering, IPO, for it. Furthermore, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse recently recognized the potential of an ICO, a forthcoming initial public offering, IPO, as a result of the outcome of a regulatory case in the United States. Over the weekend, Garlinghouse was photographed liking a post in which the renowned NASDAQ, the Wall Street brokerage platform, congratulated Ripple on its acquisition of Metaco, an institutional investor firm specializing in digital asset custody, trading, and DeFi. As previously reported by the Crypto Basic, Ripple paid $250 for Metaco million on May 17, displaying its appetite for expansion and preparedness to enter new markets. The digital asset custody and tokenization scene. NASDAQ has praised the company's strategic decision. Given NASDAQ's position as a hub for publicly traded corporations, the impact is significant. The CEO's recent behavior has aroused several assumptions, especially given that Ripple is a cryptocurrency, is a privately held corporation. In a post that has piqued the interest of many members of the crypto community, Rain David, a Twitter user, proposed a Ripple IPO by correlating numerous historical occurrences to the current development. David mentioned that NASDAQ was aiming to launch a crypto custody solution shortly. Metaco, the recently acquired firm, already provides similar services in the third quarter of this year. The Twitter user concluded that Ripple would go public if it was successful in its current venture, a case against the U.S. regulator. Digital Dirt, a blockchain enthusiast from Florida, expressed surprise that NASDAQ is involved. Congratulations on the acquisition of a private company. Do you think they know there's going to be a new listing soon? The proponent of cryptocurrency speculates. Ripple has pondered going public through an initial public offering in recent years. However, because of the ongoing legal conflict between the firm and the U.S., discussions regarding these proposals have been overshadowed by the Securities and Exchange Commission. The recent NASDAQ recognition of Ripple's latest commercial expansion could be significant. Act as a subliminal endorsement for the company to seek listing on the exchange if it meets certain criteria. Finally, he chooses to go public while the crypto community is anticipating an IPO. The Ripple CEO just confirmed when its multi-year legal dispute would result in a favorable court decision and a recent historic victory in the litigation. Garlinghouse anticipates the litigation to be settled in the coming weeks, as reported last week. Please remember to subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell. The judgment of Judge Annalisa Torres on Hinman's emails has sparked debate and conjecture within the XRP community. The ruling of Judge Annalisa Torres on Hinman's emails has sparked debate and speculation inside the XRP community. On May 16, Judge Annalisa Torres refused the SEC's request to seal the emails. Several drafts related to William Hinman's contentious 2018 cryptocurrency address. Corporation Finance Director at the SEC drafts of Hinman's speech is likely to be made, according to the court's judgment. Despite the verdict, numerous XRP aficionados believe the commission will reconsider. Deal with Ripple to keep the documents from becoming public. However, Ripple CTO David Schwartz believes the blockchain corporation lacks the authority to do so and promises to keep the documents private. Judge Torres, according to Schwartz, has already ruled that Hinman's emails and drafts are admissible. The public's right to obtain judicial papers transcends all other considerations, including a deal between Ripple and SEC. Schwartz stated this in response to a discussion initiated by a famous XRP community member. Mr. Huber, a well-known crypto sleuth. I am not a lawyer, but I don't think Ripple can agree not to make them public. Mr. Huber reacted to Deaton's previous remarks that Coinbase could request in a tweet access to Hinman's emails if Ripple agrees to keep them private. Mr. Huber doubts Coinbase would want to be associated with anything emails from Hinman. He pointed out that the American exchange was already embroiled in the Hinman incident documents. Interestingly, pro-XRP lawyer and crypto law founder John Deaton joined the discussion as well. Deaton agreed with Schwartz on this point. He highlighted that Hinman's emails will be released regardless of whether Ripple was successful in settlements with the Securities and Exchange Commission of the United States. The eminent lawyer stated that if the SEC did not intervene, Judge Torres would reconsider Layton's motion. Settlements with Ripple and agrees to keep the emails private. Deaton believes that other media outlets will file similar applications to access the documents. Furthermore, the pro-XRP lawyer predicts that additional litigants, such as Dragon Chain, will continue to sue. Obtain access to the materials despite Judge Torres' denial of Layton and other media outlets' requests motions asking for access to Hinman's emails. Tranglo, Ripple's on-demand liquidity partner, has collaborated with Al-Ansari Exchange as part of its Middle East development drive. Furthermore, as part of its Middle East expansion strategy, Ripple's on-demand liquidity. Tranglo has joined forces with Al-Ansari Exchange, the UAE's largest outbound personal exchange. According to an announcement made today, the strategic alliance will help Tranglo's reach. Both organizations will benefit from the collaboration in terms of improving their customers' experiences. Tranglo Group CEO Jackie Lee expressed delight at the news, noting that the move will improve cross-border payment experiences in both the GCC area and the UAE. Is XRP likely to reach $2 anytime soon? Now for the big question of the day, will XRP ever reach the $2 mark? Crypto law founder and pro-XRP attorney John Deaton recently stated the perceived disinterest of investors who have been unable to obtain XRP below $1. The lawyer believes these people are passing up an investing opportunity, will most likely board the train once the asset reaches $2. Deaton's most recent remarks show the attorney's surprise that some investors have failed to leverage their investments. The possibility of purchasing XRP for less than $1. This is consistent with the views of some notable analysts who have predicted tremendous growth. Despite his surprise at the extent of investor disinterest, Deaton believes the larger crypto community is unlikely to ride the anticipated XRP rally unless the asset becomes more valuable and has surpassed the $2 mark. What's even crazier is that FOMO won't likely kick in until $2, he emphasizes. Deaton's recent remarks reflect a prevalent pattern among investors in the crypto sector and beyond. Notably, most supporters will only invest in an item if it experiences significant price increases. Attorney Deaton's views resemble those of Greg, a proficient chartist who made a similar admission. Greg stated last month that XRP falling below the $1 price level creates a risk for investors, a life-changing investment opportunity. This declaration emphasizes Greg's belief in the asset's impending price increase. According to a more recent analysis, XRP is currently in a critical phase. Its price movement from here might lead it to $3.03 or spark a price explosion to $250. In response to Deaton's remarks, JD, another analyst, stated that XRP is currently stalled within a bullish symmetrical triangle. JD predicted that XRP would break free from the triangle by September. He predicts a tremendous surge for the asset once it breaks out, but does not make any predictions. Any planned price targets? XRP is presently trading at $0.50, up 4.38% in the last week. In the last 4 days, the asset has produced 4 straight winning candles, resulting within the period range. There was a 6.29% gain. So, gentlemen, we've reached the end of this video. If you liked it, please share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell at the end of the video. This is quite beneficial to my understanding of the YouTube algorithm. By sharing this, you can also help enlighten others in the same way that you have been enlightened. As many individuals as possible should see the video. Guys, let's spread the word everywhere. If you're a true cryptocurrency enthusiast, you won't want to miss any of our material. See you tomorrow to discuss the most recent news that affects us all as a community.